Shipping and Donald Trump's policies. An obstacle to the green transition. Shipping is one of the most important sectors of the global economy, transporting 90% of global trade by sea. Despite the vast volume of goods transported, the environmental footprint of ships does not exceed 3% of global emissions. However, shipping has been at the forefront of the global effort for a green transition, adapting to the requirements of the European Green Deal and the International Maritime Organization (IMO) goals to reduce emissions by 50% by 2050. However, Donald Trump's policies, which question climate change and support the fossil fuel industry, create obstacles in this direction. The U.S. withdrawal from the Paris Agreement, the relaxation of environmental regulations, and the promotion of oil, natural gas, and coal extraction under the "Drill Baby Drill" slogan change the dynamics of shipping. Shipping companies that invest in clean technologies may find themselves at a disadvantage compared to those that continue to use cheaper and more polluting fuels. The relaxation of environmental regulations in the U.S. reduces the pressure for the global adoption of alternative fuels, such as green hydrogen, ammonia, methanol, or biofuels. This creates a market disparity, undermining investments in sustainable shipping and extending dependence on fossil fuels. International analysts point out that Trump's policies increase the demand for conventional fuels, reducing the momentum of green technologies and discouraging innovations. One of the biggest risks of these policies is the weakening of investments in green technology. Many shipping companies hesitate to invest in new technologies due to uncertainty about their future implementation on a global scale. Additionally, the U.S. shift to traditional fuels slows the development and implementation of innovative solutions like ship electrification or zero-emission fuels. The European Union, as a global leader in sustainable development, tries to accelerate the transition of shipping to cleaner forms of energy through the Emissions Trading System, EU ETS. However, the lack of cooperation with the United States complicates the implementation of these policies. American shipping companies may ignore European regulations, creating market asymmetries and undermining global cohesion. The impacts of Trump's policies are not limited to the environment, but also affect global trade flows. The America First strategy reshapes maritime transport, significantly affecting the shipping industry. His decisions on the Panama Canal, the Arctic, and the trade war with China create new challenges and opportunities for shipping companies. The Panama Canal, a key point for global trade, is expected to play a central role in transporting American liquefied natural gas, (LNG), and energy products. At the same time, the intensification of the trade war with China may change trade flows, reducing the demand for transporting Chinese products to the U.S. and reshaping sea routes to other Asian countries. The strategic importance of the Arctic increases due to ice melting, opening new sea routes. Trump is expected to strengthen U.S. presence in Greenland, investing in port infrastructure and military facilities. This could limit Russian and Chinese influence in the region, but also increase instability in the shipping market. The trade war with China could change the balance of global trade, pushing American companies to seek new suppliers in countries like Vietnam, India, and Malaysia. This will affect maritime transport and shipping routes, creating a new geoeconomic environment for shipping. In this fluid landscape, international shipping must adapt to changes and find strategies that ensure its sustainability. Shipping companies investing in green technologies may face additional challenges due to the uncertainty created by U.S. policies. However, the need for global cooperation and common environmental standards is more urgent than ever. Delaying the adoption of sustainable practices could lead to greater economic and environmental challenges in the future. As the impacts of climate change become more apparent, the pressure for drastic measures will increase, and companies that have not invested in sustainable technology will face high adaptation costs. Shipping, as a crucial sector of the global economy, cannot remain unaffected by the policies of major powers. International cooperation is key to a sustainable transition, and U.S. policies can determine the pace of this process. Shipping has the potential to lead the green transition, but this requires commitment, investment, and joint action on a global scale. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment.